so I'm here with Lindsay Albanese, and she is a celebrity stylist, and she is going to tell you what she's going to do to my closet, take over it.
Yeah, I've invaded your home today, and yes, as you said, I'm a celebrity wardrobe stylist, and I'm making a house call for you today. I'm going to go into your closet, and you've given me permission. Yes. I'm going in your personal space. I'm sure all of you guys wish you could go in Amanda's closet. So I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to put together some outfits. It's called shopping your closet. I know we all buy way too much stuff, but sometimes it's just a matter of going in your closet and thinking differently and putting new things together. So I'm going to put together an outfit. I'm going to pull something out that I think may be kind of scary or outdated that you should get rid of.
I have a lot of that.
And I'm also going to give you an organizational tip that actually I've used with some of my celebrity clients. So we'll see.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, Amanda, come on in. I've shopped your closet. I hope you like my outfits that are your stuff.
Wow.
So,
cool. Yeah, I've never.
Does this look like the typical outfit you would put together?
No.
So I kind of created a little magic.
Yeah.
We just have to see.
And let's show the camera.
All right, so I picked out, this is all your stuff. I seriously totally invaded your privacy of your closet. And I put together looks that I don't think are typical. I think, you know, at home we go for what we're usually comfortable in, right? We don't think out of the box. So right here, this was an adorable little white dress you had, and I wanted to toughen it up. I love the idea of like flirty and edgy. Yeah. So, you know, I know it's hot right now, but I think this could be really great, and even if you put your Converse on, it could be casual, and you've just given this dress 2 lives. Perfect. So that's cool. This was a top that you had, or a dress?
Yeah, it's kind of, I wear it as a dress, but it's like really short.
Well, then I think that's why you can think of layering
that looks really cute.
A skirt over it, and you can wear your little shoes here. And I have to say, I was really impressed with your closet. You have so much cute stuff. Thank you. I can tell like you shop a lot because there wasn't a ton of outdated. It was all like cute stuff. I was kind of like, oh, I'll wear this. I even tried something on. Another thing that I like doing is pairing t-shirts with more girly, like structured things, and you had this great little polka dot dress, and I just picked a variety of your t-shirt girl for sure. So I had a lot to choose from. So it's just a matter of pairing t-shirts with maybe dressier skirts and just trying it on and seeing what works. So we have that. Cutie little mint skirt that you just did a vlog about, and I loved it, so I actually hunted this down in your closet. I know you wear it with a tank top or a t-shirt, but you had this great little print, and it's kind of like, it's not your typical choice, but it could be really cute. Again, when I pulled from your closet, I kept in my mind that you like to be comfortable. Yeah. You don't want to be too dressed up, so I kind of feel like I did that. So it's just a matter of, will you try some things?
Yeah, I want to try this one on first.
Okay, good. Oh, I'm so glad you love that. Be creative and it may not be working. And there she is! Okay, you guys, I was seriously, again, so impressed with your closet. There was so much cute stuff. And what I did is I took, this is actually a really long tunic top, and she said it's almost like a really short dress. And I paired it with this cute little skirt that she already had. So that's something you guys can think of at home. If you have long, thin fabric dresses or tank tops, pair them with the skirts that you have. That's what we've done here. She had this great belt, I added that, and then I picked up the gold in the belt with her great studded, cute sandals. And this is just kind of re-inspired what she's already had. You told me when you saw my outfits, you were like, I would have never thought of that. I know, I love that. That means I did my job. Yay for me. And then you want to turn around because I want to show the back. What I love that Amanda does is I feel like you pair a lot of these bandeau tops under shirts, and it looks like, it kind of gives you support, but then it also looks like a fashion statement. So that's another thing you guys can think of with these open back shirts, is to buy these solid colored bandeaus, because then you can just pair them under and it looks cool and you're still, you know, covered up. So that's great. Love that. All right, so you love my outfit, which I'm like
So adorable.
so happy. I feel like I've totally conquered everything right now. So while I was in your closet, I did a few other things, and I told you before, and you trusted me. I organized something in here that needed organizing, and I also pulled something out that I kind of think, Amanda, that you've grown out of just a bit, and I hope she doesn't hate me, and I hope she didn't just buy it. So I'm going to get it right now. Okay. This, I know, has had a ton of love, and it's still cute, but wait for it, it's just a few. You guys see? We love the Juicy. I'm not saying anything, but if you guys can see, this has had a lot of use. I think she traveled the world with this. And I'm just feeling like maybe you've kind of grown out of this, right? And I saw it in there. It was all crumpled up at the bottom of her closet. It's so sad, and I do feel that someone would love to have this because it's like a great durable bag. But for you, Amanda, I'm kind of feeling like it's time to let it go.
Really? Yeah.
Okay. Thank God. I was so nervous about that one. All right, so.
I got that for Christmas in 5th grade.
Oh my God. 5th grade. Oh yeah, I think it's time to go.
I was like, oh my gosh, this is the coolest thing ever. And yeah, I would always go to the mall with it and think I was so fab.
Well, you were fab. It was like for the time and the age, like it was perfect. I mean, and again, it's still so cute. I just think you've totally grown out of it, right?
Definitely.
Okay, so I've also organized something, and this is a little trick that I have like 100 of these in my closet and in my office, my styling studio. So I'm gonna show you, and this is a little gift for you. So, this is simple. I just took your belts, so now you can see them. This is just a little hanger. You guys, my celebrity clients have these in their closet, and it's as simple as just this little fabric hanger and safety pins. And you just
make it so easily.
Yeah, you just line those up right here, and you hang your belts and your scarves. And I saw you had them on this little hanger over here, but your hoodies were over it. So you really can't see what you have. And this, you just put it in your closet, so when you see what you're like, oh, I want to wear a belt. Oh my gosh, okay, well,
just pull it out.
Here we go.
That one looks nice.
Exactly. And look, and that's how, and then we're going to put that back on here.
Perfect. So you just like open the clothespin and then put it through?
Super easy. Here, why don't you hold this. And actually, you guys, and maybe you'll want to watch, if you want one of these in your closet, I actually am doing a DIY on my channel, Lindsay's Latest, and it will be up very soon. So you got to check out my channel if you want to make one of these.
Go subscribe to her. We'll annotate it right here.
Yes.
Just click right here.
Thank you, right there. All right, so yeah, it's just a safety pin, belt. There you go. Super simple. Oops, super simple, nothing glamorous. Done. Organized.
You can see everything. You can use this for a lot of things too, like even like jewelry you can put through it.
I use necklaces. You actually had something in here that I thought worked well, so I didn't, but yes, you can do this with jewelry, belts. I do it with tights. I hang my tights, because think about it, you just shove that stuff in your drawer. I hang all my tights, so it's really whatever you guys want. It's just the most wonderful invention. If this is even an invention, it's like the simplest thing, but it's just a really great thing. So
perfect.
My gift to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you want to win this bag, well, just wait till the end of the video and then I'll explain everything and you guys can win it.
Thank you so much. Oh my God, I loved it. This was great, and I'm so happy you don't hate me for saying that you have to part with the bag, but I think one of your awesome subscribers would actually love to have this, so I think that's really cool that you're giving it up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for making my closet better.
I know. I styled you with your own stuff. I mean, come on. Like, she already has good stuff.
This is a new outfit. I just went shopping. I know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out her channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Hey guys, so thanks for watching this video. If you want to win this Juicy Couture purse, this was something literally so close to me. I got this for Christmas in 5th grade, and I died when I got it. I used it so much, and it's just not something I'd wear right now, but I'm sure some of you guys would, I mean, one of you guys would like it. I did my first what's in my purse with this bag. It's obviously not on YouTube anymore, and it's super embarrassing. But yeah, I used this bag in my first what's in my purse. But yeah, so if you want to enter this, comment below how you found my channel. Oh, I just slapped my leg. So comment down below how you found my channel, and then you can win this. I will randomly pick someone, and this is international. I'll pick the winner in a month. I'll have it in the comment on my video, and then like I'll tweet it, Facebook. I'll say the winner, and also for my last giveaway, the $20 makeup challenge, the winner will be in the down bar of this video, so you can see if you won that. I'll ship it to you anywhere in the world, international. I just think someone else will appreciate this a little bit more than me. So yeah, get on going if you want to win this. So make sure you guys go check out Lindsay. Her channel will be annotated here. She's going to be doing some videos like with me in it. Like, she asked me a few questions about like my wardrobe or whatever, and then she's going to go out shopping and try to like, she'll like shop to what questions, like to the answers of the questions. It's kind of hard to explain, but you'll see it, and it's really, really cool. And I'm excited to see like what she buys when she goes shopping for it. So you can see that, and also the little like hanger thing with the belts and stuff on it. She's going to do a DIY on that, so look forward to that, so you can go check out her channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye! Mwah.